Hi guys, thanks for watching my last episode, which is about the pelvic floor and stress incontinence and why it's probably a good idea to strengthen up the pelvic floor. I've had a look around the internet and I can't find any good videos where people are actually talking through an actual Kegel routine, and so welcome to Kegel with me, or if you prefer, Kegel with Bret. And so what we'll do is we will start, and the best thing is to get in a comfortable position. If you've never done Kegel exercises before, you should be seated with your feet, shoulders a width apart and on the floor. Eventually you'll be able to do it as you're walking along or lying in bed, or when you're watching TV and the adverts come on, just as a reminder of when you can start the Kegel exercise. So just to have a quick baseline first is the pelvic muscles are the muscles for men at the base of the penis. They're the ones that control where you can stop peeing if you wanted to, and also around the sphincter muscle to stop you from defecating. For women, these muscles are around the vagina, so if you squeeze them, if you had a Tampax in the vagina, you could squeeze the Tampax. They're also the same muscles that can stop you peeing mid-flow if you wanted to, and the same muscles that can stop you from defecating. If you want to know if you are flexing those muscles, you can stand up, and for men and women, if you reach around either at the top of the vagina or around where the penis is and squeeze, the penis can flex. Guys, if you do get if you have an erection and you squeeze those muscles, that's how you flex the penis. It's those muscles. And for women, if you feel the top of the vagina or around the entrance of the vagina and squeeze the pelvic region, you might be able to feel a muscle contracting. Another way of feeling it is between your genitals and your anus is the perineum. If you put a finger on the perineum and then squeeze the pelvic, you may notice a very slight flexing around that region. You might not be able to feel it if you're sitting down, but if you lie down completely, then you might be able to feel that muscle flexing. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick Kegel routine. That's where we squeeze and hold for about 10 seconds each time. And then we're going to breathe in while we relax. We're going to do that 10 times, and we're also going to do 3 sets, and then at the end of it all we do some pulse work, okay? And that's where you just squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax. You do that 10 times to finish off the Kegel routine. The first set, and so all you need to do is squeeze, and then count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then breathe in and relax. And we're going to keep on doing that same thing again, and then squeeze, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, breathe in and relax. And squeeze again, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe in and relax. And squeeze and hold again, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe in and relax. The 5th time, squeeze and hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, breathe in and relax. On the 6th, if you like to squeeze and hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, breathe in and relax. On the 7, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, breathe in and relax. Number 8, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe in and relax. Number 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe in and relax. And number 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, breathe in and relax. That's your first set. We'll have 2 more sets and then we'll do some pulse work, and now we'll rest for about 20-30 seconds or so. And so it's quite important to have these rest breaks in between sets. You don't want to overstimulate, and it's absolutely fine if you couldn't do the whole set if you're just starting out. And last year when I started doing Kegel exercise, I could only hold it for 5 seconds, and I could only do it 6 times, and that was it. I couldn't do even a second set. And so it does take time to train these areas and to train these muscles to actually get to a situation where you can do 3 sets. So we're going to start our second set now. And so first rep if you like, and squeeze and hold, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. Number 2, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. Number 3, squeeze and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And breathe in and relax. Number 4, squeeze and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. Number 5, squeeze and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. Number 6, squeeze and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. 7, squeeze and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. Number 8, squeeze and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax, getting a bit tense. 9, squeeze and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. And last, number 10, squeeze and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. And that's the end of the second set. We've got 1 more set to do. So if you go a little bit faster than me, that's fine. If you're going a bit slower than me, I'm probably counting a little bit fast because, quite frankly, my pelvic floor is a little bit tired. So I'm finding it a little bit difficult after the second set. So we're going to start our third set in a minute, and then some pulsing, and then we finish. So we haven't got long to go. So what we'll do is we'll start the third set now. And so that's a squeeze and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. Number 2, squeeze and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. Number 3, squeeze and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. Number 4, squeeze and hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, relax. Number 5, squeeze and hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, relax. Number 6, squeeze and hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, relax. Number 7, squeeze and hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. 8, squeeze and hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. Number 9, squeeze and hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and then relax. Or breathe in and relax. Number 10, squeeze and hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and relax. And that's 3 sets of Kegel exercises, and now some pulse work to finish off. And this is where you're squeezing for 1 second, relaxing for 1 second, squeezing for 1 second, relaxing. We're just going to do that 10 times, and we're just going to start now. So squeeze and hold and relax. Squeeze and hold and relax. Squeeze, 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 relax. And that way you exercise your slow twitch and fast twitch muscles all around the pelvic area, and ideally you can do that set of Kegel exercises 3 times a day. So morning, lunchtime, evening. Some people say do it a lot more often than that, but go easy is what I would say, and take it from there. So thank you for Kegeling with me, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.